Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install YouTube Kids on any device. So YouTube Kids is a family-friendly app designed to provide safe and age-appropriate content for your children. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install YouTube Kids on various devices. First, since I'm using Android device, I'm going to show you how you can download it for Android devices. You can just tap on the Play Store icon on your Android device, and in the apps you can just click on a search, and in the search bar at the top just type YouTube Kids, this one, and just select it from the result. You can click on it and you can just tap install to download and install the application. So once the app is installed, you can just tap on open to launch the YouTube Kids, and you can just follow the on-screen instructions to create a child's profile and customize settings. And for iOS devices, so the only difference is that you can just open the App Store icon on your iOS device, and again you can just use the search bar to find YouTube Kids, and just tap get and authenticate with your Apple ID or Face ID, and launch the app. Then follow the prompts to create and configure a child profile. But if you are using Amazon Fire tablets, you can just open the Amazon App Store on your Fire tablet, type YouTube Kids in the search bar, and tap on download or get to install it, and launch the app and set it up for your child. So if you are using smart TV, you can just open the App Store on your smart TV. You can navigate to the app sections on your TV and use the search function to locate YouTube Kids and select install or download. Open the app and sign in with your Google account and set up profiles. So additional tips for using YouTube Kids: you can customize viewing preferences and set screen time limits. And if you have more than one child, you can create separate profiles tailored to their age and interests. Lastly, you can also regularly check the watch history to ensure appropriate content. And that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more tutorials and tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. But if you still need help, you can drop your question in the comments. Bye!